Hi everyone, how are you doing? Hey, how's everyone doing? Hi, thank you so much for joining in. Hi Hema, hi everyone. Hello, hello. Okay, so this live session is about two very important things. One is there's something that I want to share with you all people, and the second is obviously this new connection that I want to show you. Let's just wait for a few more people to join, and then we can get started. Hi Simi, hi everyone. Hi Sheikh Rose, hi Zeenat. How is everybody? Hi Tinsy Shine. Hello everybody. Okay, so one important thing that I need to share is this is related to a recent incident that happened, and one of our customers got in touch with us. She told us that somebody shared a very different number with them. So before that, let me just put in my number and pin it to the comments and tell you all that whenever you want to contact us, or you have any query, or you want to discuss anything, then this is the number that you need to contact. Okay, so I have pinned my number here, and this is the number that you need to use when you get in touch with us. Please do not contact on any other number. If somebody gets in touch with you saying that the person is our worker or anybody, please do not pay them or do not talk to them in the name of Samasha Jewelry. This is really very important for me, because recently somebody, I'm sure the person was a fraud, but they got in touch with one of our customers. They commented them, then they got in touch over messages, and then they told them they were from Samasha Jewelry. The person ended up buying some stuff from them. They later blocked them. So I just want to really request you all that please refer to this number, or you can DM us. The best part is you can DM us. It's just we will be talking to you on the DM on Instagram. If you want to WhatsApp or call, the number is pinned on this live chat. Please use only that number. Thank you. Okay. Hi, we are not working in Kuwait. We are working in India. Hi Manju, thank you so much. Hi Nonika. I am good. My name is Samita. Okay, and just to tell you guys that Samasha Jewelry is a combination of my name and my mom's name. Her name is Asha, my name is Samita, so it is Samasha Jewelry. Alright, so let me show you some very beautiful new stuff that has come up, and we have very pretty colors in that. And I know for the fact that you all really love Bali jhumkas, so I am wearing one of those, and I'm going to show you the colors that we have. Okay, so one beautiful color that we have here is my favorite, which is, you would see it here, it is light purple. This is a very pretty Bali jhumka. It is big in size, as you can see here, and it is in light purple color. I'll just answer to some of these questions. Hi Anita, we do deliver to Europe, and yes, we deliver to Kuwait as well. There are certain shipping charges which are applicable. If you just send me a DM or WhatsApp me, I can tell you the shipping charges. Hi धीर ठाकुर, हिंदी बिल्कुल आती है, बट ज़्यादातर लोग जो इस लाइव सेशन में जुड़ते हैं दे आर मोर कम्फर्टेबल विद इंग्लिश, इसीलिए मैं इंग्लिश में कम्युनिकेट कर रही हूँ जिससे कि वो लोग भी समझ सकें. ओके, हाय गायत्री. Okay, so this is one of the colors that you see in here. We have a number of colors in these. I'm going to show you all colors one by one. Please feel free to throw in your questions. Okay, so the next color that I'm going to show you is most of the people's favorite color, which is yellow. Okay, so we have these Bali jhumkas in yellow. This This is a very bright yellow with hand painted meenakari on it. Height and see, we do deliver to UAE. So you see this, very pretty Bali jhumka and yellow jhumkas at the bottom, nicely beaded at the bottom. Hi everybody. Okay, so there is this pretty yellow color. The next color that we have in this is a sky blue. Okay. Hi Chandan. I do have stuff for guys. I have some bracelets. I will personally send it over to you. Some of the bracelets that I have for guys, I'm gonna send them to you. Hi Harsha Makija. You can definitely get in touch with me over WhatsApp or DM if you would like to place an order. Okay. Okay, so yellow, and then we have sky blue. Okay, these are very, very bright and pretty colors that we have here. Hi Bose Deva Mitra. Hi. Okay, so sky blue it is, and yellow. The next color that I'm going to show you is another summer color, which is sea green. So this is a sea green Bali jhumka. I do not have a peach color choker. Hi Vinkal, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We really appreciate that, what you're saying. Okay, the next color that I have in here is a very pretty fluorescent pink. This is a fluorescent pink color. If you can see on the live, these are so pretty. I am not sure if you can see the color beautifully in live, but these are fluorescent color pink jhumkas. Okay, these are all big size, so if you see me wearing them, these are big size jhumkas. Okay. Hi Firdaus, thank you. Fluorescent color is the next one. Now I'm going to show you one more pretty color in this, which is bottle green. Okay, so the other color we have in here is bottle green. This is another nice color. So I have overall 10 colors in this Bali jhumka. Okay, for those of you asking for the price, this is for 399 rupees. For people who want to know how much this is for 399 rupees only. And this is very beautifully made hand painted jhumka. So if you see it here, they have a peacock carving on it. Okay, the peacock design is here on the jhumkas. So this is bottle green, and then I have a few more colors. There is black, then there is peach color. Okay, if you would want me to repeat any color, please feel free to let me know. And there is this last color that I have in here is a carrot color. This is a reddish carrot color. Hi Uzi Shahid, hi. How's everyone? Okay, so the carrot color is in here, and then there is peach color. There is black color in the same design. I've shown you bottle green. Tulsi Sona, thank you so much. Thank you. The price for these jhumkas is 399. Okay, let me just give you a look of one of the nicest colors here. Okay, so the yellow one that everybody likes, I'll show you how it looks like. So it has a peacock hand painted on it. Okay, you see it. Thank you Nishtha. So this is big size, as big as what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a blue color. Okay, and this is yellow. These are for 399 rupees, and I have showed you 10 colors for these jhumkas. Okay, shipping charges to Chennai are And sorry, the video got paused. The shipping charges for Chennai are 70 rupees. For Delhi NCR it is 50 rupees, and there are some areas like Northeast where it is 90 rupees. Hi Varsha, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so we are introducing a special discount for all the people who have got vaccinated. So if you are looking to buy from us and you have taken a vaccination, then just send us the vaccination certificate and get some extra discount and free gifts from us. Let me repeat it. Okay, so we have some special offer for all the people who have got vaccinated. This is to promote that everybody should get vaccinated. So I'm going to post this on my page that if you are vaccinated, just send us the vaccination certificate and you can claim your extra discount and free gifts as well. Alisha Shivam, we do deliver out of India, but to some countries. Right now we do not have the services to all the countries, but yes, to some countries we are able to deliver. We are based in Gurgaon right now. Okay, so I'm going to show you another beautiful jhumkas that we have got recently. Okay, here you go. This is again a hand painted stud jhumka which has kundan on the top. So if you see it here, it has few kundan studded on the top and then a very pretty jhumka at the bottom. Alisha, we do ship to Germany. Anu, Insha, we do deliver out of India, but to some countries only. Hi Saloma. Okay, so you see this. This is a very pretty Meenakari jhumka and it has proper hand painted work at the bottom and then the stud with kundan at the top. Okay, this is very beautiful. I'm not sure if you can see the beauty on the video, but it is very, very pretty. Okay, this has some very nice colors. I'm going to show you a few unique colors only on the video, and then I'm going to be posting all of the other colors on the page so you can check it out. Okay, one very pretty color is this red. For people who are fond of blood red earrings, this is the one for you. Alisha, I am sorry, I'll have to check the shipping charges exactly as they depend on the weight. So if it is a 500 gram parcel or a 1 kg, it would differ. So you can just get in touch with us, select your products. Once we have finalized the products, I can weigh them and tell you the final shipping charges. Okay. Okay, so blood red for people who are fond of red colors, and this has pretty kundan at the top and then this red jhumka. Let me show you the quality of the jhumka. If you see, this is a brass jhumka and is very neatly made. So let me show you both the earrings. The size is almost similar to what I'm wearing right now. Hi Vanilla, hi. Okay, so red jhumkas with kundan work and big size ones. This is similar size to what I'm wearing right now, the Bali one. The jhumkas are of similar size. Okay. Okay. So the next color that I'm going to show you is a very nice color. Hi Sweet Smarika. Hi Kranti. Hi Sneha. Okay. So the next color that we have in here is a golden peach color. Okay. Hi Kranti. Hi Sabya. Okay. Thank you Tinsy. This is a very beautiful color and it is very unique. I haven't seen this color coming in a lot of jhumkas, but what you see in here is a peach color with a lot of golden and again a beautiful stud at the top and the beautiful jhumka at the bottom. Hi everybody. Okay, another color that we have in this one, so the fact that all of these have come in very bright colors, and this is really you know, these are one of the jhumkas that you can wear to weddings. Thank you, Neha. Thank you, Sneha. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Tanu. It is very pretty. Okay, the other color that we have in here is a mix of pink, peach, green, red, and like a typical Rajasthani look of jhumka. Very bright colors, right? You see, very bright colors. The stud is very pretty. Hi Harsha, my location is Gurgaon, which is in Delhi NCR, but we deliver like obviously all over India, but to some other countries out of India as well. Okay, so you see this is very pretty earring. It has this meenakari hand painted at the top, right, and beautiful colors mixed at the bottom. Let me see the other nice color that I'm going to show you for this. Hi Sangeeta. The other color that I'm going to show you for this is the evergreen color, which is black. Okay, so you see in here the black with a hint of pink. Hi Sangeeta. Hi everybody. Okay, so the other color that we have in here is beautiful black. The price for this stud jhumka is $499. The jhumka with the stud is for 499 rupees. Okay. Let me see what is the other nice color that we have. Okay. So I know a few people really like white color jhumkas. So for those I have this white color with a little hint of pink. This is a very beautiful white color jhumka. You see here, beautiful white color jhumka. Thank you, Meena. Okay. So we have about 10 colors in the Bali jhumkas that I'm wearing. I am going to be posting all of those today. And in the other jhumkas that I'm showing you, we have 10 colors in those as well. Let me show you another one. Sazi, yes, we do have a lot of chokers. So you can check the highlights of our page. When you go to the highlights, there are a lot of earrings which are listed with price, and there are a lot of necklaces and chokers. We have listed all of them with the price for each. Thank you. Thank you, Roshni. Thank you. Let me show you another pretty color here, which is a very beautiful pink earring. Hi Preeti, ऑक्सीडाइज ज्वेलरी है क्या? हाँ जी, ऑक्सीडाइज ज्वेलरी भी है. पेज पे बहुत सारे ऑक्सीडाइज में प्रोडक्ट्स लिस्टेड हैं. इफ़ यू रियली लाइक ऑक्सीडाइज झुमकास, तो हाइलाइट्स में ऑक्सीडाइज झुमकास का एक पूरा हाईलाइट बना हुआ है विथ प्राइसेस. आप प्लीज उसको चेक करें. Hi Sanam, this is for 499 rupees. Okay, this I'm going to show you the colors. I'll be posting all of the colors on the page, so you can see what colors are available. Okay, this is one beautiful color that you see in here. This is pink on the top and then yellow at the bottom. Somebody was asking me if we have yellow. We do have yellow with the combination of pink. Okay, I'm getting a lot of requests. See who wants to join. Yeah, red color is very pretty, Tanu. Very pretty. So is this yellow color, yellow and pink combination along with blue. This is really very pretty. Beautiful red, beautiful pink, yellow and blue. Okay. Let me just quickly repeat. So I have pinned my mobile number on this live chat. So whenever you want to place an order or you want to ask anything, please refer to only this mobile number. Please do not contact any other mobile number. If somebody ends up like sending you a DM or comments on your comment that you send on our posts, please do not talk to them. Just refer to the number that I have posted on the live chat. Hi Deepu. Okay, thank you. Thank you everybody. Anything else that you would want to see? I have just one more design that I want to show you today. How do I? Okay. I have a black jhumka. Yes, I do have a black jhumka that I just showed you. Uh, there is this black color in this design. It has black and a very slightly pink. So black stud and a little bit of pink in there. This is very beautiful. Just give me 1 minute. Sorry. Okay. So here's the black one. Somebody was asking for the black. In the meanwhile, let me open up another pack that I need to show you. Okay. Hi Aswal. Crazy Minder. No, this is not a giveaway. This is not a giveaway. I am planning to put up a giveaway soon. Any ideas? Any suggestions? I am Shubhangi. Hi Shubhangi. Hi Alicia. We will show you some oxidized collection, but maybe in the next live session. Oh, Tanu, wish you a very happy birthday, dear. Very happy birthday to you. May God bless you and have a very nice celebration. Have a nice day. Okay, so the next one that I have in here is a very gorgeous one, which has beautiful drops at the bottom. I have a couple of colors for this one. I'm going to show you. Okay, but before that, just take a detailed look at this. This is again a hand painted collection. We recently got a lot of hand painted beautiful collection because wedding season is coming up. People want to wear these stuff on weddings. So this is one pretty color. Let me tell you, this is a peach color, a light peach color with the stud at the top and beautiful drops at the bottom. Okay. Hi Nehe. Hi. Hi everybody. Let me quickly show you the colors in this design. Okay, the next color that we have in here is dark green. So we have this dark green color with beautiful drops. Okay, and we have the dark pink color. Might look like red on the video, but it is dark pink color. Okay, and Shiaz, I will have to calculate this in pounds or euros. Okay, the next color that we have in here is mint green. Mint green is the in color for the wedding seasons. So mint green. Okay, and I have one more beautiful color in this one, which is royal blue. Okay, this is very dark blue color. See, very pretty color. Okay. Okay, any colors you want me to show again? Any favorite colors that you want to see? Just let me know. I have pinned my number here. That is my mobile number. So whenever you plan to contact Samasha Jewelry for placing any orders or for any inquiries, please make sure you get in touch with this number. Shubhangi, for maroon, I have a different Mang Tika and an earring set. Let me quickly show it to you because I have it in my hand. So, okay, for maroon, I have this. This is pretty dark maroon, and this has these earrings. And so here are the earrings. Let me hold it, and it has the Mang Tika as well. Okay. So the similar design in Mang Tika with the earrings is what I have in maroon. So just take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Let me allow you to take a screenshot. Take a screenshot and get in touch with me. I'll tell you all the details about this one. Hi Faisal. Okay. Green color. Let's be specific about green. Do you want mint green, parrot green? Because there are so many greens these days. So which green would you like to see? I'll show you some green color as well. Thank you, Faisal Khan. Thank you. Okay, so this was the latest collection that I'm going to plan, like that I'll be planning to put this up on the page as well. Okay, somebody says parrot green. JB, yes, these are very lightweight jhumkas. These are not that heavy. So if you're looking for something that's lightweight, then I would recommend going for these kind of jhumkas, and also the ones that I showed you. These ones are also very lightweight. They are very lightweight, very premium quality. So if you see the jhumkas from inside, they're very good quality, but very lightweight. Okay. So for somebody who's asking me for parrot green, okay, I do have something in parrot green, which is again the earring with the Mangtika set. Okay. So here is the earring, and then we have the Mangtika for this one. Okay, so this is the one that I have in parrot green. If you like this, then you should be sending me a DM. You're welcome, JB. Sazi, sorry, dear, पाकिस्तान में डिलीवरी नहीं है अभी हमारे पास ऑप्शन नहीं है उसका. Tinsy, you can, so if, like, how can you order is, if you like the products from this live session, then you can take screenshots. If you like the products which are on our page, again, take screenshots and DM it to us or WhatsApp us on the number that I have pinned on this live chat, and I'll be the one talking to you. We can coordinate further. I can inform you the prices and the shipping charges and everything. Okay, guys, please do not get in touch with any other mobile number. It's just the number that is pinned onto the comments. Whenever you want to WhatsApp or contact us, call on this number. Shubhangi, please get in touch with me over DM. I will send you some options definitely. आई एम युकिनो. हाँ जी, आसाम में डिलीवरी करते हैं. बिल्कुल करते हैं आसाम में डिलीवरी. ऑल ओवर इंडिया डिलीवरी है. Even in areas where there is lockdown right now, deliveries are open. Hi Kani. Hi. You wanted to buy some finger rings? Yes, we do have finger rings. We've posted on the page, or you can DM me. I can send you over some of the options. You can buy the finger rings. Good evening. Very good evening to you. Okay, let me just show you my favorite ones before we end this live session, which is this yellow Bali Jhumka. Okay, this is very beautiful Bali Jhumka, one of the kinds that I'm wearing, and this comes in yellow color. Yes, Kani, Chennai delivery is available. We are able to deliver all over India. So the yellow Jhumkas in here, very beautiful, very nicely made, hand painted meenakari. Okay, I'm going to be posting all of this content on our page. हाँ जी, YouTube चैनल भी है. पेज के बायो में YouTube चैनल का लिंक है. You should definitely go and subscribe. This time I am coming up live and showing you the latest collection, but from next time I'm going to be posting the latest collection on our YouTube channel first. Do you have delivery in Kerala? Yes, we do have delivery in Kerala. Delivery charges are just 70 rupees for Kerala. Shipping charges to Kerala are 70 rupees. Anything else you want to ask, please go ahead. Any feedbacks, any recommendations? What do you like to see more? I have 10 colors in this jhumka that I just showed you. Sanam Jat, Telangana, shipping charges are 70 rupees. So delivery charges to Chennai, Kerala, Telangana is 70 rupees only. And we do not charge shipping on every product. It's just one-time shipping charge on your entire order. So if you plan to order 5 products, you just pay 70 rupees on the entire order. Thank you so much. Thank you. Do you sell oxidized jewelry? Yes, we do sell oxidized jewelry. We have a lot of oxidized jewelry collection, which is posted on the highlights and on our page. So if you want to get the chokers or necklaces in oxidized collection, you must check our highlights. I have posted all the products with the prices. One more thing, guys, if you are vaccinated, then just send us your vaccination certificate and get some extra discount plus some gifts from our end. We are trying to promote everybody to get vaccinated. So if you have got a jab already, just send us the certificate and grab your extra discount. Okay, so I think that is it for today, and you all have a very nice rest of your evening. Take care of yourself and stay safe. बहुत कोई लाइव आके रिप्लाई नहीं देते हैं, बट यू रिप्लाई ऑल ऑफ यू. आई एम वेरी ग्लैड टू सी यू. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आई एम ट्राइंग टू reply to everybody, but at times miss ho jata hai, so I am sorry if I have missed somebody's messages. Kani, yes, I am safe by God's grace. I am safe. I've got vaccinated also. You all must get vaccinated. And just keep wearing a mask whenever you step outside. Ankit Kalra, hello. Hi, Anna. Delivery at France, Paris. Yes, that is available. Delivery charges are applicable. You must just get in touch with me. We have the site where you can check it from, but to connect with me, the number is there on the pinned comments, or DM it to us. I'll share all the details regarding the shipping. Okay, it varies as per weight, but yes, we do deliver, and right now also shipping is open like to other countries, so you can feel free to get in touch. Dr. Harita, thank you. Hi Nusrat. Hi. Brahmin girl is asking the earrings that I'm wearing, the price for these. These are for 399 rupees. I have been showing a number of colors of these. You can possibly go back to the chat, like the live chat that I'm going to be posting on the page. So you can go back to it and check the colors, or you can just wait. By the time I post everything on the page, you'll know. One of the prettiest colors I'm showing here is yellow. So one thing that I must tell you about the yellow color is that every time I get some collection, and it is a number of colors, the first color that gets sold out is yellow. So if there's anybody who likes yellow, then you should be getting in touch with me just after this live session. Okay. Thank you. These jhumkas are really so pretty. That's what I'm telling you. I would not be able to do the justice, through the camera for these beautiful jhumkas. Okay, guys, I have my mobile number pinned in the comments, and if you want to get in touch with me over WhatsApp or a call, please feel free to use this number. If you go to the bio section of my page and you click on contact, you will be directed to my WhatsApp directly. There is a YouTube link on our bio. You must subscribe to our channel, and I must again repeat, if you are vaccinated, we're giving you extra discount and some gifts as well. So get your vaccination done, send us the certificate, and claim your discounts and gifts. Any more questions before we say bye to each other? Okay. All right, everybody, take care of yourself. Keep wearing your mask. Keep safe and enjoy the rest of your evening. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye.